Hi all, this is another video to show you guys how to link word table values to Excel. This is actually to answer a Reddit question. So the question sounds like this. I have a Word document that has financial data in it that needs to be tied to an Excel file. Is it possible to link Excel cells to a value in a Word table, similar to how you can link Excel cell values to each other using a formula? So this can be done, but you need to use Excel table in Word document. So open up your Word document, right? This is the Word document. Close all your Excel spreadsheets. You need to close all Excels, remember. Okay. Once you close all your Excel tables, right, in your Word document, you click on Insert. You need to click on Table, right? Then you click on Excel spreadsheet, right? This is not really an ideal way, but because it takes time to load and whatnot, so just simply key in a value in here, maybe $2,000. All right. Then open up your Excel. So what you do is you go back to your Word document. All right, left click on the cell that you want to link to. Copy, and then go to your Excel document. Go to the cell that you want to use. Then you right click, right, paste special. Make sure you select paste link. Then you can select anything from here actually, but for me, I think I will just select text. Then you press OK. Right, then you can see your Excel formula in here. So what you do now is, save your Word document. Word document with Excel. Alright, close it. I hope it will automatically link it. Save as Excel link to Word document. I have a sneaky suspicion that this will not work, but let us try. So you open up your Word document. Okay, change this. This is annoying. It's taking so much time to just double click on the Excel table to change the number. Okay, so put here 5,000. Alright, close the Word document, save, and then you open up the Excel. Then you click on enable content. Yeah, it won't work. Let us try again. So I think it's because we rename the document. Don't worry. So we just open up the Word document again. Double click on the cell, copy, paste special, text, paste link, text, okay. Now you have the proper link. Okay, it's 5,000. All right, so Close your Excel, close your Word, open up your Word document, change the value to 10,000. Save. Now when you open Excel, click on update, and then there you go, the number is updated to the latest number in the Word document. So I hope this helps with your question. I don't think you will have the error that I encountered, because I think your Word document would have a name and a proper link already. And just now when I do it, I was doing on a fresh Word document. I hope this helps. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.